doing this, Dark Spyro? You're a dragon, just like me.
Mate, I'm nothing like you. I'm more than you'll ever be. It's time you learn the lesson. It's time that you understand. Don't ever count on anybody else in this or any other land. I once hoped for friendship, to find a place among my kind. But those were the childish wishes of someone who was blind. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you chase at my command. Open up your eyes, just weave fantasy land. Time to grow up, not get wise. I'm the little one. Open up your eyes.
We all start out the same, simple, naive, just shooting from the many ways. Life's not fair or just. But then there comes a moment, something true that you must face. If you need pain or nothing, you'll never find your way.
And as you take that first step upon a path that's not your own,
You see it all so clearly. The best way to survive is all alone. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you chase out of my command. Open up your eyes and behold the fading light. Time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes.